এবারে সংগ্রাম আমাদের মুক্তির সংগ্রাম, এবারে সংগ্রাম স্বাধীনতার সংগ্রাম।
In 1971, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the father of the nation of Bangladesh, called on his people to join the struggle for freedom. 75 million people of this land wholeheartedly responded to his call that started the War of Independence. After 9 months of unimaginable suffering and at the cost of 3 million innocent lives and sacrifice of chastity by 200,000 women, the Pakistani occupying forces were defeated, and a new country named Bangladesh emerged in the world map. Today, Bangladesh is a role model for development across the world under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, the daughter of Bangabandhu. The government of Bangladesh is relentlessly working to become a developed country by 2041. Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh with its 16 million residents, is one of the most densely populated megacities in the world. In spite of continued economic growth and development of the country, traffic congestion is one of the most challenging concerns for its dwellers. In order to overcome this situation, the government has undertaken a comprehensive plan to establish an urban mass transport system in Dhaka and its adjoining areas. To establish, operate and maintain, including the planning, survey, designing, development, construction and financing of MRT systems in and around Dhaka city, a government-owned company named Dhaka Mass Transit Company Limited (DMTCL) was established on 3rd June 2013. Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina inaugurated the construction works of the first metro rail of Bangladesh on 26th June 2016. Honorable Minister for Road Transport and Bridges, Mr. Obaidul Kader MP, regularly monitors the progress of works to ensure timely completion of the project as per the revised schedule. The 17 stations from Uttara to Komlapur are Uttara North, Uttara Center, Uttara South, Pallavi, Mirpur 11, Mirpur 10, Kazipara, Shaurapara, Agargaon, Bijoy Sharoni, Farmgate, Karwan Bazar, Shahbag, Dhaka University, Bangladesh Secretariat, Motijhil and Komlapur. The expected travel time from Uttara to Komlapur is around 40 minutes. MRT Line 6 will start its journey with 24 sets of international standard metro trains. Each set of these trains will have 6 coaches initially, with an option of increasing to 8 coaches in the future. To ensure the high standard of operational efficiency, service and maintenance, a modern Operation Control Center will monitor and control all activities of the MRT Line 6. The elevated metro rail stations will have 2 levels above the ground. Ticketing facilities will be on the first levels and the platforms will be on the upper levels. Every station will be equipped with lifts, escalators, CCTV surveillance, automatic fare collection system, etc. Passengers will be able to use MRT Pass or Rapid Pass for a hassle-free ride. Platform screen doors will be installed on all stations for the safety of the passengers. Universal access will be ensured irrespective of class and creed, gender, age, and for people requiring special need. To ensure the timely operation of the trains, the automated doors should not be obstructed from closing.
Please stand clear from the closing doors.
The environment-friendly Metro Rail coaches will be equipped with modern features like air conditioning, well-organized seating arrangement, information display panels, etc. All the coaches of the train will have designated space for wheelchairs. In order to ensure uninterrupted electricity supply, Metro Rail will have its own power distribution system. The metro trains will run 13 meters above the median of the road. In order to reduce vibration and noise, floating slab track, continuous welded rail and noise barrier walls will be installed. These measures will prevent any possible implication on the important structures and significant archaeological sites along the MRT Line 6 route. During peak hours, the metro trains will stop in every station at 3 minutes 30 seconds intervals. An estimated 500,000 people will be able to commute by MRT Line 6 every day. MRT Line 6 will have interchanges with MRT Line 5 Northern Route at Mirpur 10, with MRT Line 5 Southern Route at Kauran Bazar. It will also have interchanges with MRT Line 1, MRT Line 2 and MRT Line 4 at Kamlapur. For the convenience of the passengers, there will be station plazas at Uttara North, Agargaon, Farmgate and Kamlapur stations. A transit-oriented hub will be built at Uttara Center Station. When completed, environment-friendly and time-saving Metro Rail will greatly contribute to reduce traffic congestions in Dhaka and its adjoining areas. Mega city Dhaka will have the mobility it deserves. Dhaka Mass Transit Company Limited, a government-owned company, is committed to build the Sonar Bangla dreamt by the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Metro Rail is a significant milestone on the highway to development for Bangladesh. It is time to hold our heads high. Please help build Metro Rail today. It will benefit you tomorrow.